In this video, I'll show you how to backup and restore Viber messages on Android. First method is to backup and restore Viber messages via email. Launch the Viber application on your Android phone and log into your account. Tap the 3-bar icon to display more options. Next, tap on the option Email Message History. A list of applications will appear. Choose your preferred email application. Now, enter your email address and password. Then ensure your phone is online for server connection. Tap Done once the setup is complete. Re-enter the email for backup and tap the arrow icon to send the Viber messages to your email. Now, sign into your email on your Android phone and find the email containing your Viber messages. Open the email and download the zip file containing the Viber messages. Open the downloaded CSV file and view your chat history on Viber. The messages are listed chronologically, showing both the sender and the receiver. The second method is to backup Viber messages using Google account. Open Viber and navigate to Settings, then go to Account and select Viber Account Backup. Choose the Google account where you want to store the backup and tap the backup to start the process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.